Hi everybody, thank you for coming to this presentation. Today we're going to be presenting the social media plan. Some points that we're going to be touching are the opportunities that we have with our business getting involved in more social media. Why would it be important to start developing a more refined strategy of social media? How we're going to refine this? And offering some solutions, of course. Just to put it on perspective, a few years ago, probably these platforms we didn't even know if they were going to survive or how they're going to make money. But right now, they are uh, incredible important marketing tools and publicity channels. We can right now Facebook can target your audience. They can offer customization of your target audience, uh, specific areas. You can do a lot of stuff with them. Almost everybody has an account either on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and these platforms, due to their specialization, they can reach the person you might want it to be your client or that will buy your product. A little bit of history of our company. We are kind of new and we are not very good at social media. We have created an account Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Google Plus, but we have tried here and there, but I don't think we have been consistent. I think we need to assign a specific budget, and within our budget, we need to see what works better for our company, see what our clients use the most, what do they like, how do they communicate, and how we're gonna get to communicate better with them. We have seen a very big opportunity on this market because the competition is not very fierce. A lot of these casino parties companies tend to be old-fashioned, or they have been long enough not to use social media very effective. Of course, you see a young company here like Casino Parties LLC. They have a lot of followers, a lot of engagement, and that's perhaps what is helping them grow more. But now, it is important that we don't just aim to have a lot of views and a lot of likes, but we understand who our client is. Meaning, if we're going to target LinkedIn versus Facebook, Instagram versus I don't know, any other tool. And it is important that we know we're just not getting likes, but we are getting engagements and conversions, meaning these people are actually gonna consume my product, or they're just liking the pictures, or they're just like what we say on our posts. These are established companies, and they have dedicated staff, which is something we are lacking, but we are about to fix with this strategies, since a lot of these strategies can be implemented with no money, which just getting very creative. You can get viral, which is something that happens often on this kind of business. The why. Why is important that we engage to our client? I think we need to understand what our client is doing, where is he putting his attention to. I think we found that a lot of people spend a lot of time on Facebook. A lot of them are younger, but a lot of older people has also engaged in Facebook, even in Instagram and other tools. It's important that we keep constant communication with our clients, especially as this trends tend to mature, meaning the person that maybe 5 years ago was 20 now is 25 and is a more established consumer. All these numbers are going to keep changing with time, and maybe these platforms are going to keep changing as well. So it's important that we develop a strategy and we keep ourselves relevant with our clients. So how are we going to get relevant with our clients? That is the big question. And I think one thing is to develop several strategies with several channels, with LinkedIn, with Facebook, and we'll start developing content to see what works better for our clients, what our clients more engage with. Are they going to be spending more time on LinkedIn and liking this product? Are we going to get the corporate business from LinkedIn? Are we going to get the birthday parties on Facebook? Are we going to get the poker tournaments for fundraiser from Instagram? We need to understand where our customers are. Since we offer several kind of packages, we need to see where are the demand and what works, what converts $10 maybe into 50 clients or $50 into 10 clients. Does it work? Does it not work? A lot of these strategies are just getting creative with your marketing, offering value to your clients. And some of the ways we're going to offer value is to teach how to play a variety of games. All the games that we offer, we're going to be teaching, and of course that's fun, and we're going to make it fun. That's the way we're going to keep ourselves relevant with our client. We're offering some value, some entertaining, because none of this is real gambling. It's just for fun, to have some good time. From this, we're hoping to increase our followers to 10 per month and generate 5 leads per week. This is pretty modest, but our strategy hasn't been too aggressive and we're testing the waters. But it's important that we start engaging, realizing what works for us and what's going to get us closer to our goal. So the solutions are going to be determine the social media platforms, like which platform works best for us, maybe even is seasonal, more Instagram maybe in Christmas, or Facebook the rest of the year, or Google. We're going to have to determine where our time is going to be better spent and where is our money going to be better spent. We also going to do a lot of updating of our social media accounts, which we haven't been doing because we're being focused more on the operational side. We're going to put more images, more videos. There are tools that help you set up posts. That's something that we're going to be doing. Because you need to keep yourself out there. Your client needs to be that you are there. Oh yeah, this is the company that we hire, you know. One of the tools that we found that works very well is, well, I'm not sure how to pronounce Aureo. So and at the end of the day, that's what we want to get, is engagement from the client. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a good day.